Hi, welcome. My name is Lisa. You are watching the One Lisa Show, and today I'm coming with an unboxing. This is the Think Pink subscription box. It is Beyond the Pink Doors monthly fabric subscription box. So this is exciting. I like to share this. It's always such nice, fun fabrics. And I just got my box. I had a text saying it was delivered, and I straight away went outside in the snow, went to the mailbox, got it, came back inside. Penny thinks we're going to go for a walk, which we are as soon as I am done with this. So without further ado, I'm going to get this going. So it always comes in a bag. I'm going to open it up. You're going to hear some rustling. Sorry about that. Paper scissors, they're marked paper, so there's no confusion. They are the paper scissors. Okay, the Think Pink box this month is a little thicker, and it's just a plain cardboard box. Her past boxes do have a pretty label on them, but it does say Think Pink. And when I open it up, there's pink tissue paper inside, and the postcard says New Story, Chapter 1. Scan this code with your phone or iPad to access the ebook that accompanies this month's box. So on the back of the postcard, it does have a QR code, and it says subscription box 35. This month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric. There are 2 colorways. Details are found in the ebook. New Story. New Story, Chapter 1. So I'm going to open up. Okay. First things first is there is a cute little bag with a little kitty. My niece's, again, East of India bag. And I'm going to save this bag because I'll put something for my niece. One of my nieces or both of them in this bag just because it's a little cat and they both love cats so much. Oh, lovely. First thing that came out of the bag is a pair of snips, and they're gorgeous. It's a gorgeous metal snip. It's got some pretty detail. It looks like a, oh, here we go. Let me set this down. I've seen the fabric now that I've opened the box, but it's a bird, like a pelican, maybe. I wish I knew more about birds, but it's kind of like a pelican. Oh, it's real pretty. That's really pretty. Snips. And I love, and you could put your, there. Beautiful. This alone makes me so happy. Let me put this down. Hi, Pen, it's okay. What else is in the little bag? There are ginger biscuits, ginger nuts, and I love ginger, so this is great. But they look like they're Litchfield's biscuits. Okay, we'll be having those today. There's a handful of things in this little envelope. Oh, So Fun nail decals. Oh, that's cute. These are self-adhesive nail decals. That's real cute. Uh-huh. With the instructions inside. It's like different pictures. Very pretty. show you the back. There's more. Little sewing machine. Oh, that's really cute. That's really cute. Now, I can't wear nail polish because I'm allergic. But again, this is something that's so cute. My nieces probably will love that. Unless I can put those on without nail polish. However, I don't know if that would, if I'm allergic to nail polish, if I should even just stay away from it. I got a bag of tea. I love a nice tea. And then there's a Gutermann thread, and this is my colorway, a hint to my colorway. Always comes with a thread. And 2.5 meters. And mine feels like a viscose woven. It's definitely a woven. Feels like a viscose or rayon challis. And it is a pretty print. I'm not usually a cream and brown gal, but I will tell you, I like it. I like it a lot. 2.5 meters. Actually, this is enough to do a dress of some sort. It's a little outside of my normal what I purchased. Actually, I think this would probably be suitable for many people's skin tones when you think about it. Very nice. 2.5 meters, that's quite a substantial amount. And I just placed an order for a bunch of patterns. So I know there's going to be something in there I can use for this. And hopefully something I can make for the beginning of spring. Because it is not a thick fabric. It's a thin, very flowy, nice drape. It's a woven. Not my normal, something I would pick out, but I think this would be a beautiful neutral that I could wear in the spring and the summer. And at 2.5 meters, it's definitely something that I would want to use like for a dress. So now I'm going to have a good hard think about what to make with this floral, somewhat retro looking print to me. It's going to be probably a shirt or a maxi dress, but I'd love to hear your opinions. If there is a pattern out there that you're thinking this screams to you that I should make it, let me know in the comments. And hopefully I will decide soon so I can have it ready for spring. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and I hope you have a pleasant day and do something creative wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye.